niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she come. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown off this way, doing all these shows.
So I am back with another vlog. Going to FLAGSTAFF. And here's Gorda. Luis with his crazy ass hair. He'll put that shit back.
Go back, put it back.
But this is my makeup. We ran into an accident on the freeway. Badass accident. That's crazy. I know. Guys, so we just made it to our destination. This is what it looks like. Woo. Are you happy to be here? Yeah. Aiden. What? Right here, baby. Come on. Sit down. Sit down. Ready? Hold it tight. Don't let go. Okay? I'm kind of scared. I know. I'm kind of scared to let it go. Ready? Yeah. No, not my turn. Do you have fun?
Your turn.
You want to do it again?
No.
You don't like it?
Your turn.
You don't like it?
Your turn.
No, Daddy.
Hold tight.
Here, you. Here, babe. Record us on. I'm vlogging.
Go.
Hold on then.
You go in the back, I go in the front.
Here, vlog it. Wait.
Watch out. Hold on.
Got it? Okay. Ready? 1, 2. Okay, down and go faster. I would think she would go a lot faster that way. You know? Because she's light. So we are now leaving. It's fucking cold. Oh, it's cold. My legs are like numb right now because of how cold it is. And then look, I have fucking holes in my pants.
Why would you wear pants to the snow?
I don't know, because I heard it was the same as Phoenix and just with snow. But I'm trying to warm up. But we had fun. Did you have fun, babe?
Yeah, next time we're prepared. Bring gloves and buy some.
Yeah, because my hands are fucking numb too. Smile.
Bye, Snow, I love you.
Bye, Snow.
I love.
You like the snow? You liked it? She had fun. She loved the snow. And Aiden, he loved it at first, but he was just so cold. He was getting fussy and he was tired. He was over it within like the first 5 minutes. Was it scary? Yeah, so we went on the sled. That was pretty fun. They didn't go very fast because he's like dead weight. But but me and Gorda, we went pretty fast. I look tore up right now. I'm freaking starving though. Are we gonna get food before we head back? Chik-Fil-A. You want to?
Is there Chik-Fil-A here?
Yeah. I don't know where exactly, but I saw it on the way here. Let me make sure though. My face is like so frozen. My legs are like the frosting right now.
It's pretty warm.
It's warm now. Yeah, it's getting warm.
No, I said I was pretty warm.
Oh, well, lucky you. Lucky you. Mom. Thanks to me for getting you that jacket. You were warm. Huh? Yeah? Thanks to me?
Yeah.
Wow, what kind of shit was that? Did you guys see that? Bye, Snow. I love you.
Am I even going the right way?
Yeah. But, yeah, so that was that museum. What? Oh, I took my lashes off because your girl was not, they were not working with me today, actually. So I had to take them off, but it looks a little messed up, but hey, my cut crease is on point. Too close, too close. Let's see what's on the radio. Ah, damn. It's all static. Maybe when we get further in, huh? It'll get better.
Different stations.
we're gonna head back to Phoenix now. So I will see you guys in a bit. Huh? See you in a bit. Do it again. Chik-Fil-A. Fucking starving. Are you hungry? Yeah?
Yeah.
You hungry, baby? Yeah. She's hungry too.
Starving Marvin.
So we're doing it now. If you want to. Yeah. There we go. Got her drink.
Excuse me. Can I have an order of waffle fries?
Yeah, what size?
Large. Thank you. $2.25.
Here's the kids' meal.
Thank you.
Hey, baby.
There you go.
Can I get a little bit more buffalo sauce?
Yeah, how many?
Just 2.
They're all cold. Bomb.
Right or left? Right or
Now
left?
home. Okay, so we are going to eat. This is what I got. What the fuck is little ass chicken? Look. Little ass fucking chicken and all this bullshit. No pickles. They didn't even put pickles on mine.
Not even mine.
So we decided to do a little mukbang
Mukchanga.
for you guys.
Little mukchanga. Let's go.
So, what should we talk about?
I know.
Let's talk about
Bitches.
what bitches. What's your favorite thing to watch on YouTube?
Supernatural. I haven't watched in a while.
Long answer.
Let's see. What am I into right now? Movies. Not really into a show right now. That's cool.
I say YouTube, not a show.
Oh, YouTube. I thought you said Netflix. I don't know why the fuck I said these. I watch different shit on YouTube.
What's your favorite thing to watch on YouTube?
I don't know, just a bunch of random shit. There's not a favorite thing. Could be watching, funny things. Little, I don't know, crime stuff. And then I'll go from crime stuff to, like hip hop shit. Breakfast Club.
You just started watching that.
No, I've been watching that shit. I just haven't watched it in a while. So I'm telling you, like I watched random shit. Then DJ Ghost talks about he does reactions to music, to rappers. Just a little bit of everything. Just a little bit of everything. Conspiracy theory shit. And then one day I'll be watching demonic, demon shit.
You did, baby. Don't you like to watch makeup?
A lot
Got
of
to say my channel.
barber tutorials.
It's a color. Look it. Look it. It says color. Look.
Mm-hmm.
Color on it. Color.
You forgot to say my channel.
Oh yeah, baby, your channel. I'm always waiting for your updates.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm like, when is she gonna make another video?
This guy is straight lying.
Fuck you lying. Why you always lying? Oh my god. Stop fucking lying.
I uploaded 2 videos. And it took him 2 days before he watched my video.
I work, know what I mean? That's how.
Okay, but you heard all the stuff that he watches, right?
No, sometimes it doesn't notify me about your videos. You know?
Then you're not subscribed.
I am subscribed.
Nah, you're just a follower. You're not subscribed. You're not a subscriber. You're a follower. That's what the fuck he is.
I'm not a subscriber. Oh, where'd that come from?
Your ass.
My ass is over here.
I'm so mad because they gave me a little ass piece of chicken. Like, literally, it's the fucking size of what it is right now. I can't even show you because it's that small.
My shit's pretty fucking juicy. Pretty fat and juicy.
Is that how you like it? But, and then they didn't even give me no damn pickles. Like, if you know me, I fucking love my pickles.
Let me get extra pickles. No pickles.
Literally. I asked for extra. And we gave me none.
Is there an open buffalo?
No. Up there. In your dashboard.
Oh, actually, yeah. I forgot about this. What do you watch on YouTube?
These male strippers. Just kidding. I watch makeup tutorials. I watch the Ace Family. Sometimes. I haven't really, like, since I've had my own channel, I really haven't had time to watch other people's channels. Really, because I've been filming my own and then I have to edit my own. Like, I'm behind on a lot of videos that I used to watch. But
We only get us one napkin each, so gotta make this last. You know, turn it over,
every end.
flip it.
Not closing.
I don't know if it's because I'm fucking hungry, but that shit actually tastes pretty bomb right now.
It is bomb. I'm just mad that my chicken was little and I had no pickles. With some blue Powerade on the side, I mean. I can legit drink that every day. Huh? And eat this every day. My eyes got so watery, so my lashes like were coming off. But if you seen earlier when I opened up the video, how bomb it looked. Yeah. Right now we're still in Flagstaff. And
Hi
we're
guys.
eating at some Wells Fargo.
Hi guys again.
Close to, what was it? What college?
NAU?
NAU.
Hi guys again. Hi guys again. I'm eating.
So I stole my napkin. I was like, fucking thief.
Why the hell would I take a dirty ass napkin? First of all. Second of all, I had another clean one in here.
This MukBang is fucking down. What's going on?
It's pretty good.
MukBang.
You still have sauce? Or can you open
Machanga.
this one?
Let's start a little bit.
No, it's gone.
Open that shit up.
Why?
No, guys.
Say hi.
Hi.
What is that? She's eating some spicy nuggets.
Chick-Fil-A.
Chick-Fil-A.
Chik-Fil-A. Oh, you don't even have the Chick-Fil-A app, huh? Should good.
No, because
As much as
my
it fucking
apps
comes.
are. I wasn't able to download it last time when you told me. And then I just haven't.
I just saw it because of the cup and shit. Oh, MukBang / Q&A. Who's your daddy?
If you're watching this, I don't know.
I don't know. I never met my father. Well, then your daddy, stupid. So, I don't know him. Ooh.
Mom, Daddy was watching Girls last night, and Ravy's putting a movie on and shine.
Oh, really?
Last night when I was
You
at
hear
work.
this? You see my daughter snitching on him? Telling me that he's watching girls?
And boys.
Oh, and boy. Oh, you gay. He's on that gay life.
He can watch only boys.
She'd rather you be gay than be looking at girls.
He was
I love you,
watching it-
Gorda.
I think he was watching it at work too.
I can't bring my phone to work.
No, you were watching guys at work, huh?
Yeah, that's what I do. What I do for a living.
Y'all hear this? That's what he does for a living. You hear that? The fuck?
What?
Standing myself.
There's more. There's more in here. There's more
That was a good ass
in here,
machanga.
Mom.
Machanga. What was the other one?
Mom.
MukBanga.
Mom. Mom.
Muk, where's your mama?
No more? There's no more. No, it's not. If it's trash, put it in your bag.
I don't like yellow. You know,
So whose vlog is this? Because the camera is more on you than it is on me. But don't move it.
fucking up the machanga, daggy.
MukBang. So that is our MukBang. My first MukBang.
Is it your first?
I've never done a MukBang. So we're now gonna start heading out from FLAGSTAFF and go home. We have a long drive. It's like 2 hours from here.
The road again.
But it was fun. We had fun at FLAGSTAFF.
Next time, come earlier,
And more prepared.
more prepared.
We didn't come too late though. I feel like we came at a good time because like.
Oh yeah. What the? How the fuck did I
Ew,
get ranch on
are you sure that's ranch?
that shit? Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
Ew, and you smell it? You're gross, bro.
Jizzing on the road.
Ew.
Jizzing on the road. You know, happens. Sometimes it's just like jizzing on the road.
How
man.
is it? She's like, ew, he smelled it. Food all in my teeth.
Look at the gas. You think we'll make it like that? Or dame más gas?
Well, there's a Chevron more into, like, you know, it's really packed right here. I don't think we should get it right here. Yeah, so we're heading back to, yeah, in your intern way. So, oh look, there's a Baskin Robbins.
Oh.
They got everything right here, huh? That piss more.
Chipotle.
My brother would be there every fucking day.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're heading back to Phoenix. So I will see you in a bit. Stop the Circle K to gas. Cleaning the window. Look at his face when he does it. We are now leaving. Finally gonna be on our